Place the heel of one hand on the center of the chest. Place the heel of the other hand on top of the first and hook the fingers of both hands together. Position yourself with your arms stretched out perpendicular above your chest. Now push the chest down 5 to 6 centimeters with your arms straight and allow the chest to rise completely after each chest compression without losing contact with it. Do this 30 times at a frequency of 100 to 120 times per minute. After each chest compression, allow the chest to rise completely before performing the next compression. Keep contact with the chest during chest compressions. Compressing the chest and allowing it to fully rise should each take the same amount of time.